Open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. You'll see a Try for Free option. Click on it, wait for a few seconds, and it will take you to the payment page. You don't need to pay. Just select the UPI payment option. Then, enter your details such as your name, state, city, and PIN code. And finally, your UPI ID. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on the subscribe button. Wait for a few moments. You'll receive a payment request on your Google Pay, GPay app. Click on Pay, but don't worry, no money will actually be deducted.